Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about or give a full 2025 review of Submagic, the AI powered caption and subtitle tool that a lot of creators are talking about. Is Submagic really worth it for your videos, or is it just another overhyped tool? So stick around, I will break down exactly what Submagic does, how it works, pricing, pros and cons, and whether I think it is worth your money this year. So what actually is Submagic? So Submagic is an AI subtitle generator that helps video creators automatically add captions, dynamic subtitles, and social-friendly text animation to their videos fast. It is popular with TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and YouTube creators who want engaging subtitles without spending hours editing. Submagic Submagic biggest spelling or selling point is that it uses AI to generate accurate captions, adds emojis and highlight keywords, and creates that popular viral subtitle look you see on Instagram and TikTok. Who use Submagic? Who actually use it? Social media creators, coaches, and editors like making short clips, podcasts, clipping highlights, agencies creating content, or clients. And also basically anyone who wants to make videos more engaging, because we all know captions are huge for watch times. How does Submagic work? So actually you can see, all right, how does it actually work. In step 1, you just need to be upload your video. Here as you can see, there is the options to upload or create a folder. So here you just need to be upload your clips, like generate captions. Here just click over here and upload your any video you have in your description. Let's upload any video from that place. Let's upload this one, and once it's done, then it generates dynamic subtitle that match your style. You can pick different fonts, color, highlight words, and even add emojis automatically. So here you can see, you just need to be selecting language, which language do you want to use your subtitles. So you just need to be choose, I will choose it English, then click to the generate captions. If it has any voice, it will be generated perfectly. Then make quickly edits. If you want, you can fix any transcriptions error or adjust timing. Then you just need to be export your video with burden in captions ready to post. Submagic big advantage is the AI styling. It tries to make your subtitles look just like popular viral videos, so you don't need advanced editing skills. So here you can see file content, no transcribable speech content, please try again, or contact support. So this video does not have any voice, that's why I got these options. But which video has the voice, you can use in here and you will get the subtitle. Let me give you live demo suggestion. There is a problem, this page could not be founded. So let's go to the app.submagic.co, and here you will get the options to generate options again. So here you just need to click over here and let's place any video from my library. So here I will go over that place, and let's click to the one and just click to the short, and I will upload it here. And here actually you can see we have 3.48 videos. So I will click on generating video and it will provide me the subtitles in here. So here it will take some time, like Submagic AI is working. Your video will be ready in within 1 minute 25 seconds. So you just need to wait here to generating caption with AI. Then you can add emojis generations also. Then you will get highlighting important words, and you can creating captions animations also. So once you find out that you are doing a screen recording, show a quick demo here. You just need to be upload a short clip. Let Submagic auto generate the captions and show how easy it is to tweak colors, fonts, or add emojis. Then you just need to be export the video, and here you can see that we are getting our Submagic subtitles over here. You just need to be select and font from that place. I am going to do with this one. If you want to customize this one, you can customize from that place. Here you can see when I click to the pen button, here I get font options, then I have the size options. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it. Then you can stroke the width light to large to medium. I will select to the medium. Then you can make color also. So once you feel that it is good, now you just need to click on edit caption, and here actually you can see this is AI caption accuracy. If I play the video, you will find out that the captions is working perfectly, and these are the caption you get. So you just need to be a clear audio to get this result on your video. So now we are going to talk about the pricing. So if you see the pricing of Submagic over that place, let's search for the pricing, and here actually you will see that the starter plan is $12, and they already provided a free trial version. As you can see it, that free, you usually get a free trial or a few free minutes to test it out. And there is a pro plan that is professional. It starts from $12, and it has enterprise options also. If you want to purchase it, you just need to book a demo. Then if you found out this was is reliable for or your plan, then you can go with this one. So they may also have a yearly discount. So if you are using it regularly, it is cheaper to pay annually compared to hiring an editor to do subtitles manually. Submagic can save your hours, so for many creators it is worth it. So let's go and talk about the pros and cons. Like if I talk about the pros, Submagic has very fast and easy support. Like if you hate manually typing caption in CapCut or Premium, Submagic is a huge time saver. Then it has good accuracy. Here you can see, I already mentioned, for clear audio, the AI captions are surprisingly accurate, maybe 95% right with minimal corrections. Then it has trendy styles. The dynamic subtitles look like Mr. Beast style or Alex Hormozy styles captions, very clickable for shorts and reels. Then it has emoji and keyword highlights, makes your clips feel more viral instantly. Then no big learning curve. You don't need to be a pro editor to use this Submagic tool. Then you can save money compared to paying an editor 10 to 13 per clip. Submagic is easy, way cheaper if you publish lots of short videos usually. Then when someone have the pros, it definitely has some cons, like, but Submagic is not perfect. So it some downside, it has like not 100% accurate, like all AI transcriptions. If you audio is noisy or you have heavy accent, you will still need to fix some lines manually. Then limited editing, it is not a full video editor, so you still need to trim, add b-roll or cut your clips elsewhere. Submagic just does subtitles, no multi-language subs yet. It's mostly for English creators. Multi-language is limited and ongoing cost. If you only make a few videos here and there, you might not get your money worth every month. Why should you use Submagic? So who is Submagic really for? If you post daily TikTok reels or shorts, you will love it. If you are a coach or educator making lots of talking head clips, it saves your hours. If you run an agency making short form content for clients, it speeds up your workflow big time. But if you are an advanced editor who loves doing custom subtitles manually in Premium or Final Cut, you might not need Submagic. So as you can see, our product already been created, and it is 3-minute video, and this is the subheading we are getting. So I just want to export this one. Here you can see this is the quality we will get, and we are not allowed to remove the watermark. So actually you just need to purchase the premium plan to remove this watermark. So it is okay to go with this watermark. We are just using this caption, that is the main thing. So now I will click to the export. Once I click over here to the export, the project already been saved here, and it will take time to download the process. So here you can see exporting video already been complete, so it will take time. So we just need to keep patience here. So let's see, here you can leave your comment if you feel anything buggy here. Then you can give a description. Here they already provided a description, ready to boost your glow up, watch my transformation journey. Don't forget to like the flow. And here this is the transcript you get. You just need to copy it, and once you copy it, as you can see, you just now here paste on your Premium Pro or CapCut if you want to use this. So much easy to do. And here you can see our exporting already been complete, just 4% is remaining, so already complete. So let's preview our video and let's see is it really working or not. So let's play it.
Hi everyone.
And here actually you can see that our subtitles is working perfectly here. So this is the easiest way to add subtitles on your video. So let's give you a final verdict, that is Submagic worth it in 2025? For busy short-form video creator, yes, it is one of the fastest way to get clean, catchy caption that boost watch time and engagement. For occasional YouTuber or a hobbyist, maybe stick to manual tools or free options. Overall, Submagic is simple, affordable, and does exactly what it promises: fast, trendy captions that help your videos get noticed. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more honest creator tool reviews, and comment below, are you using Submagic or something else for your subtitles? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.